Kelly, and I'm Professor of Business Performance and Innovation at Warwick Business School. So how can we create value through business analytics? Let's imagine a future scenario and thinking about people. So good analytics means that we understand our competencies, understand how people have been working together, the skills that they've used, how they've interfaced with customers, what kind of scheduling and rostering was applied, and what kind of processes we had in recruitment. We then can try to understand how different things connect. So better trained employees might be better from a service point of view. So we've retained customers. More trained employees are clear about what they're doing, so they're more motivated. And then looking at the future, we can think about future training and talent management and try to understand what kind of competencies we want to develop. So all of this can be supported by business analytics because we understand our workforce, we understand how people work together and what kind of impact that has on customer service and eventually our financial results. But what that requires is quite a lot of work around trying to use analytics throughout the organization. And the first thing is that we need to have senior management support. So senior management has to be supportive and the first to use business analytics instead of just investing in a function and leaving the business analysts to then promote analytics. Once we've secured that kind of leadership commitment and support, then we need to train analysts to speak to people in the business. So the business analyst should not be just a techie person, but it's more about someone that understands how the data fits into, in our example, HR processes and general processes in the organization, how salespeople work, what kind of training programs we have. And so it's not just displaying charts, but it's what kind of repercussions and impact that has on the business. And then finally, analytics has got to be embedded in our processes of performance review at the organizational level when we look at our performance on a monthly or quarterly basis, but also in terms of appraisals. So how do we appraise people should also be based on analytics. So to exploit business analytics and to paint the picture that I started with, we really have to get leadership support, competent and embedded business analysts, and an understanding that analytics is something that we do all the time. To download the mini white paper, which accompanies the series of vlogs, please go to crownworkforcemanagement.com/business analytics.